Hello.
Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and a review of the GoPro's new magnetic swivel clip. So as you can see, this clip uses the GoPro's quick mount system, and on the back you can see there is a logo that shows it's a magnet, so you can attach it to any metal surface and use it as a mount. And also it's a clip, so you can clip it on your backpack or anywhere that you want to. And here I have a GoPro 8. Let me just quickly attach it to this one, and you can see it's how it works. It's quite nice. Also, you have to mention there is no lock on the rotation, so you can now lock the rotation, but it has a good grip to itself, so it should be fine as it is right now. So for example, you can have it here, attach it to any metal surface, and start recording. The other thing I just need to mention is that the quick connect that came into the box in this one is a little taller than the one that came with the GoPro. So you can see this is the one that came with the GoPro, this is the one that came with this new clip. So this part is a little bit taller than the official one. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.